In this video, I will show you how to increase the speed on the Epic Games Launcher, and if this video does help you out today, please consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like on the video, and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. And with that being said, let's jump straight into the tutorial. So as you can see, I'm currently on my desktop. Now, if you have got the Epic Games app open, like so, then what you want to do is just close this down to start with. Next, what you're going to do is come down to the bottom left hand corner and you want to click onto the search box. In the search box, you want to type the following, which is run, and then you want to open up the run app underneath best match up here. So what we now want to do is type the following into this run box. So what you want to do is put a percentage followed by app data and then one more percentage. Once that's done, go ahead and click OK, and this is going to load up a window that's going to look like this. So next, what you're going to want to do is actually come and go up one file. So you want to come to app data, so just go ahead and click that here, and then what you want to do is switch this to local. So you want to double click on local, and then from here you want to scroll down and until you get to the Epic Games Launcher folder. Go ahead and double click that. And then what you want to do is double click on saved. Next, you want to click onto config up here. Then we're going to click onto Windows. And what it's going to do is open up all these different files within this folder. So from here, what you're going to want to do is locate the engine file, which is this one here. And then what you want to do is actually right click and open this with a notepad. So if you're using Windows 10, you'll see the option here, open with, just hover over that and you're going to get some options. And what you want to do is click onto Notepad. So what you're going to want to do next is actually copy and paste a bit of code, which I'll leave in the video description down below. And what you want to do is paste that into here. So it's this code that looks like this. And also you want to get rid of this space at the top. So if it comes in like this, just go before the code, hit backspace to get it up like so. And then what you want to do is click the cross and click save to save the changes. So after doing that, what you want to do is actually open up the Epic Games Launcher and see if that's made any difference at all. It should have actually improved your speed slightly. Now, a couple of other tips I can recommend is to first of all start downloading when it's sort of quieter in your household. So for example, when not many people are also using the broadband or internet, as of course most of the speed is going to be prioritized to downloading the game. What you can also try is actually directly connect into your router. So if you get like an Ethernet cable and you plug directly into your router, this could also increase the speed. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today. If it did, I'd really appreciate it if you left a like on the video and did consider subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.